Hi everyone, this is Brad. Today we're taking a look at Gmail, and the other day someone asked me how they could make their Gmail look a little bit more like Outlook because they like being able to see the email here and then a preview over here to the right. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to go into Settings gear, then we're going to select Settings, and then select Advanced. And we're going to scroll down until you can see Preview pane. Make sure to enable that. Scroll down and select Save. The changes will take place. Gmail will relaunch, and you'll see over here on the left is the email. If you select it, over here on the right is the actual email. Now you can play with this and kind of move things left and right if you'd like to. And if you'd like, you could certainly have this pop out. What you can do is just scroll on over and select right here. So you can select a new window, and then you can see it. And, well, here we go with a Christmas tree from Peanuts. So there you go. Any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching. Take care.